Okay, I am 55 years old and I'm very happy, and I hope that I will see much more things, because all those years I live the evolution of motorcycle. This is a hybrid. This is not an auto engine. It's an auto engine. It's not an electric bike. It's an electric bike, but it's a hybrid. It's a bike that has got both of the worlds, and the electric and the auto engine, and I am happy to live it. So it's not a Kawasaki, but it's just a Chinese Kujei motor, small motorcycle scooter. So let's see it in details. What we got in this small motorcycle scooter? It's a small, and this is very important. It's not a big GT scooter of 350 cubics that they take out the engine and they put a smaller one of 125. It's a small, you can understand it with me on it. It's a small one. So it's made, this bike, for this engine. And what we got? We got a windscreen, we got LED lights, the windscreen protects us a lot. We got two places to put some things here. We got a bar that is like a motorcycle with a keyless. Everything is controlled from here. There is a button that is opening the fuel cap. There is a button that is open the seat, that the seat can take inside a helmet and a few more things. It's not the biggest possible, but it's a good enough. It's got strange handles here and a tail that you can put a box, a top box. What else we got? We got a single stand, we got a double stand, we got a TFT small screen with many informations, really very information, and also a very important information about the hybrid, about the electric engine. So let's go up, step through. Okay. I feel comfortable? Yes, I feel comfortable. Am I good protected? Yes, I am okay. It's nice. I am well protected from the water of the street, from the rain, from the air. I feel comfortable, and I have good enough steppers, and I think enough space. And for Georgia, please come. Of course, me and Georgia, we are a big weight for 125 cubics, but the space is enough, I think. Georgia, how do you feel back?
It's nice. It's very nice.
It's nice. It's okay.
The handles are okay.
Okay.
The seat is thick.
And it's a little bit hard, I think.
No, I don't think so.
Okay.
It's okay.
So, I have a good view back. It's okay. Nice. Okay. I feel comfortable. I am well protected. I have a good view back, and the sound of the engine is nice. Let's move now. We change some directions for the start. We do it very easy. It's cornering nice, lovely. Let's try now the brakes, even if they are new. It's okay for the category, and the performance is okay, special for 125 cubics. What we got here? We got a 4-stroke single liquid cool 125 cubics auto engine. It's funny because now we have to say this is an auto engine. that produce 15 horses at 8,750 RPM and 12 NM at 8,250 RPM. It's good enough? Yes, it's good enough because this is a small scooter that it's only 138 kilos with all the liquids. What is going on here? Let's say that from those 15 horses, the 13 are from the auto engine, and also a smaller electric engine inside is produce more 1-2 horses. You understand when it's ready to help you from some bars that you can see in the tablet of the clock, of the tablet anyway. Clock, tablet, everything's changed now in motorcycle very fast. Okay, so what else we got? We got officially by the book the consumption of 2.2 liters per 100 kilometers, and we got 8 liters tank. Of course, we have in this bike and a traction control. Typical face, good enough. We don't have radiator back of here, is by the side, and we have a 2-piston brake front, and we got a single piston brake back, and we got a kind of hand brake. The braking of this bike, it's good enough for this performance. It's just 125 cubics with ABS, with a traction control, everything is okay. Quality. I like the fact that the bar it's like a motorcycle, so we can move it. I like the buttons that they got some light inside. I like the screen that it's a TFT, it's not LCD, so you can see it in any weather conditions. The saddle looks very good. The paint is white perla and it's nice. The plastics, can you hear it? Fits perfect and it's very soft. Also, and the black plastics. The screws looks to be okay, and the tires are soft, are new, so you don't have to change it. I don't know what is going to happen in 1 year, in 2 years, I don't know, it's a brand new, but now what I see, it's a good product. What about this scooter? It's got a traction control, it's got ABS, it's braking okay, it's protecting the rider from the weather, it's got enough space for 2 persons, even if they are big like me. The quality is not bad at all, so it's a safe, it's a high-tech as a hybrid, and I feel that it's okay, and it's a very good buy for somebody who wants to move only inside the city. 125 cubics, it's only for inside the city. Georgia, please. Georgia, what do you believe?
I believe that it's very nice scooter for the town. It's easy to move inside the town, very easy. Start, stop, very economical. I don't find anything bad about this, and I think it's lovely looking. Huh?
Okay. Θα πω ένα ποίημα.
Oh.
Θα εμπνευστώ από κάτι που βλέπω μπροστά μου.
Oh no.
Μία ελιά. Μία ελιά παράγγειλα και ένα καραφάκι, γιατί είχα σεβδά για ένα μικρό...
Μαργαριτάκι. Μαριδάκι.
Μπαρμπουνάκι. Μπαρμπουνάκι. Το έβαλα και αυτό απάνω στο τραπέζι και κάναμε παρέα και ποιος ξέρει.
Και πίνατε πετιμέζι.
Όχι πετιμέζι, για όνομα του Θεού. Δηλαδή πώς χαλάς την ποίηση. Πώς την χαλάς την ποίηση.
Έπρεπε να σε αφήσω εσένα.
Τις Δάφνες είχα αριστερά και τις ελιές στο πλάι και πίσω ένα σπάλαθο με ένα χοντρό
Μία χάρη.
χάρι, 2 πείματα σε ένα. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is Georgia and Ioannis for κόκκινα φεγγάρια Motorcycle Rock Show. Thanks for watching us. Αυτό είναι το πρώτο μας υβριδικό μηχανάκι. Δεν είναι Καβασάκι, τι να γίνει. Σε λαβή, κουτζέι.